If you look at this card, you can see a person lying face down on the ground, as if he is not moving or has no energy left. There are 10 swords pierced into the person's back, which shows pain, a difficult ending, or a situation that has gone too far. In sword cards, swords represent thoughts, stress, or difficult experiences in life. You can also see some blood, which shows a painful and hard situation. The sky above looks dark, which gives a sad and low feeling, like a very difficult time. But near the horizon, you can see light starting to appear. In the distance, you can see mountains, which shows there is something ahead after this situation. Overall, this shows a complete ending, or a situation has fully come to an end. This is not a small issue, but a situation that has reached its limit and cannot continue further. The situation may feel very painful, as if nothing more can be done now. But at the same time, the light in the background shows that a new beginning is possible after this. So, the energy of this card is ending, letting go, and going through a very low phase. It shows a very hard phase, but also the start of something new after it. For something new to start, something has to end. This is the Ten of Swords card. Yes or no? If this card comes upright, the answer is no. It shows an ending, loss, or an unfavorable situation. If the card comes reversed, the answer is yes, as recovery and improvement begin. Career business studies. If this card comes upright, it shows a difficult phase or ending in work or studies. If someone is in a job, there may be pressure, loss, or even an ending like leaving or losing a job. They should not act in panic, but accept the situation and plan the next step. If someone is not working, it shows disappointment or struggle, but this phase will not stay forever. If planning to shift a job, it may happen due to pressure or a difficult situation. If choosing a course or learning something, there may be confusion or feeling like giving up. For business, it shows loss or a difficult phase, so decisions should be taken carefully. If the card comes reversed, it shows recovery, and slowly things start improving. Love relationship. If this card comes upright, it shows a painful ending or emotional hurt. If someone is in a relationship or marriage, there may be deep conflict, betrayal, or a situation reaching its limit. If there is a breakup, it shows a complete ending, with strong emotions involved. If it is a new love situation, it may not move forward, or may end quickly. If the card comes reversed, it shows healing after pain and slowly moving forward. Health. If this card comes upright, if a person is unhealthy, it shows a low phase and the need for proper care and attention. If someone is healthy, it is a warning not to ignore signs and take care seriously. If something new is detected, it shows that it needs attention and should not be neglected. If the card comes reversed, it shows recovery and improvement after a difficult phase. General guidance. If this card comes upright, accept that something has ended and do not hold on to it. Focus on what can come next instead of staying in the past. If the card comes reversed, it shows that you are coming out of a tough phase and things will slowly get better. So, this card tells you something may feel like it has completely ended, but this ending is also clearing the way for a new beginning.